Yes, you can play Mario Kart on your Wii. On your phone, what of it? Let me show you, I'm not joking.
This is the device that could do all that. This is a very simple HDMI video capture card for the USB 3.0, and this specific 3.0 version can capture up to apparently 60 FPS and 1080p, but really what it does say in this instruction is 30 Hz, so 30 FPS. Though it said that it does support different resolutions and so on, it is compatible with VLC or OBS if you're doing any kind of streaming, but what I want to share with you is that I wouldn't really use this device as an input for your PC because there is a very slight lag when processing that kind of data. It also supports resolutions up to 4K, but the output is at 1080, and I want to talk about those resolutions because from what I tested, the perfect resolution for that device is actually 1080p. It has the smallest lag because it processes data with the, well, it doesn't say this here properly, as a AMJPEG, so that's the kind of video, that's the video codec basically. More expensive devices, they should process the video as in the output to your PC or any kind of other device as H.264 or 265 if it's really modern. Well, it has a different colors also in the sport, but from what I saw, the output isn't perfect, but it's good enough for kind of streaming or doing anything like that. It really can support all the resolution there are, and even I tested it with Wii, and it could support the I think it was 576 interlaced signal, so that's basically a PAL resolution, but it had audio glitches then, so only the video was smooth. This is one of the examples how you can use it. You can even use it on a mobile device, and there is an app called USB camera with that kind of icon. It has ads by default, but I'm currently working offline so on this phone, so that there shouldn't be an issue, and it's currently displaying the contents of the Chromecast that I have connected here. As you can see here, that's the weather. These are the changing photos on the Chromecast. I can connect my other device to start streaming. So I'm streaming YouTube directly from my phone, and I can play, pause, change the volume on the device itself. As you can see here, it also changes the volume. The application here can also play the sound, so it is even capable of that, which is really good, as you can see here. And well, that's basically all you need to do any kind of that's one of my videos. So to do any kind of displaying of the contents via the HDMI output, the thing is that this app also can support other kinds of basically resolutions, and also can record the video, so it's very versatile. It also can stream it, so that's really something great. And all I had to do is use this USB on the go adapter to my phone. It also works just as well with your PC, just as any capture card, or even it basically is the same as an external camera, and I still control the display from my phone because it is still a Chromecast. And if you have any converters to the HDMI, you can also use other kinds of devices. I have a PSP right here, and just to show you a little bit how fast does it respond. So let me connect this, switch to external display, and there you go. It is still 480p because that's the display speed of the PSP, but you should be able to hear the difference, me pressing the button versus what's happening on the screen. And also you will be able to see that it is a little bit off in terms of speed of updating this. So you may not want to use this with 480p devices or PAL devices. It works quite well with full HD devices, and there is no screen tearing or any kind of artifacts like that. The weirder the resolution is, the worse the delay is between your inputs and the actual recorded display. So if you're looking for something like that and you would be using 1080p image, I would recommend that you will split that signal that you get from your device into a separate display and then this little grabber. I hope this video cleared up a little bit what you can expect from those apparently 4K HDMI grabbers, but that are actually specifically 1080p grabbers at 30 FPS, so you can really only use them for a very specific generation of consoles if you're looking to grab that. But if you're trying to record something of a TV tuner or any kind of device that has a HDMI as an output, I think that this could be just good enough. You know, $5 is not really too much, and the image quality is pretty good. So if you set up a very specific recording, you can also record using OBS, which could be the best in terms of compatibility and also easiness of setup and also documentation. So you may think about that. Also, we can record on your Android phone if you're looking into that. With that application, I will post the link in the description, except that I'm not connected to the developer, so you know, if that app will steal your data, then don't come back to me because you can really know what you're downloading, well, it is fairly good for that kind of money. But if you are looking to record some kind of obscure resolutions or specifically 4K, this isn't really what you would be looking for. You want to have maybe a Legato device or anything like that. But in terms of compatibility and what you get for that kind of price, this is really good. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.